In this video, we'll explore the reasons why American manufacturers produce fewer sports bikes compared to their European and Japanese counterparts. While there are American manufacturers that produce sports-oriented motorcycles, the market dominance of Europe and Japan in this segment is getting way bigger. Let's dig into the factors that contribute to this situation. Market demand. The US market for sports bikes is relatively small compared to Japan and Europe. This is due to a number of factors, including the popularity of American muscle cars and the relatively high cost of motorcycles in the US. History. The US motorcycle industry has a long history of producing large, powerful cruisers and touring bikes. This tradition has made it difficult for American manufacturers to break into the sports bike market, which is dominated by Japanese and European brands. Brand identity. European manufacturers like Ducati, BMW, and Aprilia, as well as Japanese manufacturers like Honda, Yamaha, and Kawasaki, have established themselves as leaders in the sports bike market. They have a long history of producing high-performance bikes, gaining success in racing, and building a reputation for performance and agility. This strong brand identity makes it more challenging for American manufacturers to compete directly in the sports bike segment. Cost. Manufacturing high-performance, sports bikes is expensive. This is due to the high cost of materials, engineering, and testing. American manufacturers have found it difficult to compete with Japanese and European brands, which have a longer history of producing sports bikes and have access to economies of scale. Racing influence. Europe and Japan have a strong presence in motorcycle racing, particularly in disciplines like MotoGP and World Superbike Championships. The racing success of European and Japanese manufacturers contributes to their expertise in developing high-performance sports bikes. American manufacturers have had limited participation in these racing competitions, which can impact their development and exposure in the sports bike market. Market competition. The sports bike market is highly competitive, and European and Japanese manufacturers have established themselves as leaders in terms of technology, performance, and innovation. They have invested heavily in research and development to produce cutting-edge sports bikes. American manufacturers, while present in the sports bike segment, face challenges in competing directly with the established players. In recent years, there have been a few attempts by American manufacturers to enter the sports bike market. However, these efforts have been largely unsuccessful. For example, Buell Motorcycle Company, which was founded in 1983, produced a number of high-performance sports bikes. However, the company filed for bankruptcy in 2010 and ceased operations. As of 2023, there are no major American manufacturers producing sports bikes. However, there are a number of smaller, independent manufacturers that produce high-performance motorcycles. These manufacturers typically target a niche market of enthusiasts and are able to compete with Japanese and European brands by offering unique designs and high-quality craftsmanship. Okay, well, this is now understood. But why USA doesn't has fast trains like Japan and China when the country has a huge land area, and a great economy? Well, that's a topic for another video. Till then, please subscribe to the Learning Tribe and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos.